Hello my friends, how's everyone doing today? Welcome, this is Sheree. I'm here to demonstrate some of my Globleland products. Uh, this is my third video, so this is the last of the products for this order. But we'll have the link to globleland.com, the website down below, as well as the link to all the products I got in this order, and also a coupon code of 10% off your order, Sheree10, down in my description box. So I've demonstrated a few things for you, and if you're watching this video, you will be in my playlist, so you can go backwards and forwards and see all the products I got from this order, as well as my other orders from Globleland.com if you'd like to see what else I got. So these are the stamps, rubber stamps mostly, but I got some different ones too, and I'm going to have a giveaway. Stay tuned for that. I'll give you the details at the end, but of how to enter. But right now I'm going to show you what I'm giving away and what I'm keeping. It's for myself. So I got two of these little cat stamp sets, and so one's for me and one's to give away. And this is the one I'm giving away, and I'll show you the demonstration of them in just a second. Let me just show you this. Slides open like this, and you have 12 little cat stamps, or like little mini stamps, and you have to put them together when you first get them. So I'm going to show you, because I already put mine together. I have mine in back of me right now, but if you get these and you want to put them together, I just want to give you one little tip here, and that is the stamps, the actual rubber part here that you put on to these little wood blocks. You just put it. They're really easy to put together, so you know it's not a big deal, but kind of fun to put them together too. They are small though, so you get these little wood blocks that are your stamps. Then these are sticky on the back. They're like little stickers, and then these are also stickers. So these are coordinated with your rubber stamps, the stickers. So you don't have to like look on here and then search all over for the sticker that goes with it. It's kind of like opposite. If you get these, just remember they're opposite. So like this one right here, this is a picture of the stamp. So this little one right here is right there. So like this one is right there. This one is right there. So I think you get the idea. So I'm going to put these back in here, but this will be part of the giveaway. And then, so let me show you what I demonstrated those already for you. First try, I didn't do a bunch. This is the first stamps I did. They all came out really cute. Let me see if I can try it, because they are tiny. But I think that would be fun to use in a journal and just put little kitty cats wherever you need a little kitty cat, right? Or decorate, something. You all have great imaginations, right? So I'm sure you have lots of ways to use some little kitty cat stamps like this. So that is the little kitty cat stamps. And then the other stamp I got for my stash, for my crafty stash, and one that I've wanted for a long time, and I just never wanted to pay for it, because it seems like whenever I looked at at wherever I've seen them, at Michael's or Joann's or whatever, they just were more than I wanted to pay, and maybe they weren't on sale or something. I don't know. Maybe if they were, I still didn't want to pay for it. So anyway, I finally got one from Globleland.com. Beautiful bee stamp. Here's what it looks like on the stamp side, and here's the actual picture of it. It's like the queen bee, I guess. It has a little crown there and has this little decoration around. So a beautiful stamp, nice and big. It is, let me get my ruler and I'll tell you. It's 3 inches across, and it's going to be 3 inches, so it's 3 by 3, and so it pretty much takes up that whole space. Get a little bit of leeway here and here. Pretty much goes right to the bottom and the top though, but a beautiful stamp. And then this is how this one came out. Gorgeous, right? Here's my first try. I missed a little bit on the body there, and then the second one I pressed down real hard on the body, all over, but also on the body part, and you can see it came out better than that one. So those are the first two stamps with it. Like, I didn't practice anywhere else. This was it. This was my practice. So those came out really pretty. So those are the actual rubber stamps that I got. And like I said, the cat, one of these, this little set right here is going to be a giveaway. It's going to be US only because of its, you know, bulky, and that would cost a fortune too, even though it's, you know, it's pretty lightweight, but it still is a rubber wooden stamp, so it has a little bit of weight to it. So that would be too expensive to mail out of the US. But also the other giveaway is going to be this little set. So these two are going to go together to one person. And I took one out too. I already tried it a little bit, so I'm going to show you. This one I'll put back in there, but this one will be used. This is a little paw. I thought it goes along with the cat stamps if you like cats and dogs and you want to do a little cat dog themed journal, or maybe you have a little golden book that's about kittens or puppies. You want a little paw stamp. So so I decided to use the paw stamp, but let me just show you the other ones real quick. I showed you these in my unboxing, I think, pretty much, but there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them, and they're all like little dowels. See how they're like dowels on this side? You can see it's solid wood, and then on this side is the design that you stamp. So there's a flower, a little like swirly flower, you know, just all kinds of little, another little kind of like flower there, those 3. And then I'm going to get the other 3 out of here. And these are kind of like a flower or leaf on that one. This one is a heart. And this one is another like little flower. I thought these were pretty generic, and think, you know, I knew I was going to give these away. So when I picked them out, I picked out ones that, you know, could be used. They're very, I feel like generic could be used anywhere, in anything, a scrapbook or journal or whatever, to add a little something here and there. But we're going to see, like I said, I kind of tried this one out a little bit, but I want to see, again, how it comes out here. So I've got nicely fresh inked, don't get too much ink on here, but this one is going to have ink stain on it when you get it, the only one that will be used. So let's just dab this on here. We are going to experiment with this. I haven't really, I don't have a example here, but let's see. I'm just going to press it down a little bit, and we're going to experiment over on this side of the paper here. I hope it, I hope it has some ink on there, because I've never stamped with a, okay, yeah, I can definitely see the ink on there. I kind of like held it on there and kind of see, I'm kind of turning a little bit to make sure it has, yep, it does, it definitely has ink all over it. Okay, and this is black ink, so let's see, I'm going to just put it down and pick it up. Okay, yes, I do see the ink on there. Let me do it again. I do see the little paw print. Let me see if I can get it to come out a little bit better. And I think the other ones will come out better. I just have experimented with this one, so it's not new and fresh now. Okay, let's try it again. I pressed a little harder. That one I didn't press that hard. I just kind of put it down and picked it up like you saw. This one I'm pressing down, and that one came out better. I think if you practice with them and your different inks and things, you'll be able to stamp pads or whatever. This is just a regular stamp pad too, so I don't know. But I think it could be really cute. And let me just try one more. I'd like it to see, this one came out lighter. This one came out darker and better, so maybe the third one will be the charm. Let me just try it one more time. And maybe you've used these before, you've seen them demonstrated. I thought I had seen them demonstrated before on YouTube, but when I went to look for the video, I couldn't find it. So, but I think there is at least one other person that's gotten these and demonstrated them for you, for YouTube. So let me try. I'm just kind of twisting it and pushing it down. I just don't want to get ink all over it, you know, because it's going to be a giveaway. I don't want to get like ink all over the sides and things like that. So I'm being a little careful. So maybe if you get these, you don't have to be as careful as me, and you can do a better job with it. So I'm going to tell you how to enter the giveaway in just a second. Let's just try this one real quick. All right. pressing down. I didn't move it or anything, of course. And oh, that one came out even better. See, each stamp gets a little better, so I'm going to let that dry so I can put it back in the package. And so that'll be a giveaway to one person. Let me show you those. Very cute, right? If you ever, I've never seen little wooden stamps like that before, where they're, you know, you didn't have the rubber part or a cling stamp. They're all kind of that rubber substance, and these are just wood. It's all wood, so really cool. I like it. It gives it a different look as far as not as solid, maybe. I don't know. Anyway, somebody will be able to experiment with these when they get them as a giveaway from me. So to enter, just leave a comment down below. You'll get these two things. Leave a comment, and if you leave a if you don't want to enter, if you do want to enter, use the word cat in your comment. If you don't want to enter and you want to leave a comment and just say, oh, cool stamps or whatever, don't use the word cat. So, you know, some people may not be into stamping at all and they just want to say something. So, yeah, just use the word cat in your comment. So you have to leave a comment below this video to enter. You have to be a subscriber. You have to be 18 or over. You have to be a U.S. citizen. And subscriber. Oh, make sure you like my video. I would love it if you would share it and spread the word about the giveaway. Anything else? I think that's it. If there's, I'll put all the instructions below if you wouldn't mind reading those too to make sure I didn't miss anything. But I will do. I'm going to give this probably a couple weeks because I'm really busy right now. At work, we moved our offices and it's crazy busy trying to get settled into a new office, and also I'm really busy with work trying to get my work done at work, and also we're going to be taking a little trip to Florida soon, so I'm trying to get ready for that. So, and plus it's the holiday season. So yeah, I think I'm going to wait at least 2 weeks, and after 2 weeks I will talk about the date. Maybe I'll mention the date of the giveaway and I'll do a reminder so that if you forgot to enter, and I'll link this video in that reminder video so that people can come back and enter. So anyway, yeah, go ahead now and enter, and I'll count anyone who has the word cat in their comment, and then I'll do a reminder in a couple of weeks, and then I'll do the giveaway just in time for Christmas, right? So anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed all my Globleland products this time. I really did, and thank you to Globleland for letting me demonstrate for them, and I really appreciate the products. Thank you for watching, everyone, and have a great day.